Hey guys, please check this nice and clean 2014 Toyota Sienna XLE with 117,000 miles on it. Nice looking body, tinted windows, alloy wheels, very nice all matching Cooper tires in a great shape. Roof rack ready for summer trips. Yeah, check it out. Nice looking, well maintained, runs and drives beautiful. Fog lamps, loaded inside. Let's take a peek. It's got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, leather interior, power seats and heated seats, nice and clean. No warning lights on the dash. It's got 117,000 miles on it. Nice and clean dashboard, no problems. It's got navigation, it's got rear view camera, extra keys, push start button, automatic climate control, non-smoking. It's got sunroof, power sliding doors and power lift gate. Everything works perfectly fine on it. So here's the back, middle seats, captain chairs. Let me just show you the back seats. They're in a good shape. You got your floor mats in the trunk. As I said, it is a non-smoking vehicle. So yeah, and if you guys have any questions, please give us a call at 847-496-4250. Check our website. We do have a bunch of pictures. We do have videos. We do have a free Carfax report. So power sliding doors are working, power lift gate are working. Let me just go ahead and open the hood for you so you can take a peek under the hood. Again, alloy wheels in great shape, no scuffs. Look at this beautiful all matching Cooper tires in a great shape. This is a V6 engine, 6 cylinders. Take a peek on it. It's been detailed, clean under the hood. As I said, it runs and drives beautiful. It's got clean Carfax report, front row ready. So if you guys have any questions, please give us a call or just simply stop by. We're located in Palatine on Rand Road and we are Car City Inc. Thank you so much for watching.